welcome to the premiere episode of the Enthusiast Toolbox, hosted here at Basin Motorsports. Now this is a new series I'm going to put together of tools that I feature and use heavily in my home garage here at Basin Motorsports, and the things I'm going to recommend for you as enthusiasts, or maybe even gift ideas for the enthusiasts in your life. With Toolbox in the name, it seems perfectly logical to talk about the premiere episode involving the Toolbox. This beauty here is my vintage Craftsman that I've had for the last 30 years, and this is the first toolbox that I personally have had from the beginning. Now this vintage Craftsman features a modular design that has a top and a bottom box that can be attached or kept separate, just like this. Now the top box itself has a flip-up lid, of course vintage stickers. It has 4 drawers that come out, and then the bottom box has 2 deeper drawers and 1 pocket on the bottom with a flip-up door. Now why I like this design is that it features enough space to really store a lot of sockets, wrenches, ratchets, possibly some pliers. And then in the base, you can definitely keep in some extra pieces like sockets, soldering irons, anything like that. So I've had this for 30 years, and it has done me very well. Drawers still open functionally. It also has some pieces here where I can lock the front door of the drawers. And I have carried this from job to job to job through my teens and 20s and kept it in my home garage for the last 30 years. Now it's starting to get a little long in the tooth. It's got some surface rust. Definitely has picked up some dust along the way, and I'm definitely now using it to keep a lot of junk because I have some bigger shop cabinets. Why I would recommend a toolbox like this for your enthusiast is because it's modular. You can always separate it. You can always take maybe just a top box if you're a mobile mechanic, and it's got enough storage to where you can really keep enough tools to be dangerous in your home shop. So if you guys are looking for a nice toolbox, maybe some roll-out drawers with some ball bearings, it's enough storage to really be dangerous, I will put some links down in the description for you guys looking for either yourself, maybe you need a toolbox, or the enthusiast in your life for the holiday gift section. That's it from Basin Motorsports. What do you think? The premiere episode of the Enthusiast Toolbox. Get you a toolbox. You need one in your life.
Our lips, they tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed. In my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat.